Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying ports and powering devices. Make sure the TV has an HDMI ARC or eARC port. The soundbar should accept HDMI ARC or optical. Plug Apple TV into power and locate 2 HDMI cables, one high quality for Apple TV to TV, another for TV to soundbar if needed. Once done, turn on all devices and set TV input to the Apple TV HDMI. This first setup prevents signal mismatch and keeps audio formats intact. Now make the core connections so audio and video travel correctly. Plug Apple TV HDMI into the chosen TV HDMI input. This carries video and audio upstream. If your soundbar and TV support HDMI ARC, link TV ARC to soundbar ARC. This allows TV to send Apple TV audio to the bar. If ARC is unavailable, connect an optical cable from TV audio out to soundbar or route Apple TV through a soundbar HDMI pass-through. After wiring, set TV audio output to external speakers, so finish by configuring audio formats and control features. On Apple TV, choose Audio Format Auto or Dolby Atmos if available. Enable HDMI CEC so one remote can control volume. On the TV, enable HDMI ARC or eARC and set audio output to external speakers or bitstream. If you hear no sound, check cables and try a different HDMI port. Enable CEC on all devices. Restart Apple TV/TV/soundbar. And if ARC still
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.